B2C is emotional buying. This is not a emotional buying. It is more of a rational buying. But I'm telling you, I think it is more emotional than a B2C. Where the relationship with the end purchase manager, the relationship with the project manager, the relationship with these various people, that count a lot, and that ultimately matters. And we often say that there's a moment of truth, that if your purchase manager or a project manager is in problem, or he is in for example, if he's not getting a material, or he's not getting a price, or he's not getting or he's stuck, then if you are able to bail him out, or if you are able to take him out of that particular situation, then you make a friend for life. And this relationship matters a lot.
After this post-pandemic, the B2C effects were much more transparent, and it was much more open. But we really do not know deeply what major effects did pandemic bring to the B2B market. If you can elaborate on that.
There is no substitute to a physical meeting and a physical interaction. And also it was clear that if you have not met that individual ever, then the first time ice breaking virtually becomes sometimes difficult. But I think if you already have a working relationship for like 2-3 years with that guy, and then to manage virtually or through a digital medium becomes much more easier. So it was a pleasure being with all of you and then answering your questions, and hope to be in the campus soon.